Have you been struggling lately? Have you been up against it, up against a wall with your relationship, with your business, with your career? Here are 3 signs that a major breakthrough is coming your way. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Reminding you to be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon because we're here 5 days a week on YouTube with the latest in the law of attraction, the mind sciences, and of course, ancient wisdom. Ancient wisdom is so important because all of the teachings of the law of attraction really come from ancient wisdom, from the ancient mystery schools. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health that you absolutely depend upon. We're so blessed to be able to help people all over the world. We've helped people in 60 different countries with their business, with their careers, with their marriages, with their relationships, and we can help you too with miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Be sure and visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Always leave your phone number. So here are 3 these are very cool signs that the universe is preparing you. This is what's going on, high flyers. The universe is preparing you for a major breakthrough. I mean, you've been struggling long enough. You've been going through it. You've been challenged. Maybe your relationship has fallen apart and there hasn't been any contact between the two of you for quite some time now. And you're just wondering, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? This is the breakthrough that you've been waiting for. So here are 3 signs. If you only have 2 of these signs, you literally are assured that the universe is opening up doorways for you, literally breaking down walls and barriers so that you can manifest your deepest heart desire. Okay. Number 1, the universe is removing negative, hateful, jealous, envious, angry, bitter people from your life. For some reason, and you may be upset about it because you love these people or you at least have an attachment to them. But all of a sudden, they're being removed from your life, one after another. People that no longer serve you on your journey. People that no longer encourage you on your journey. People that no longer believe in your business, in your career, in your relationship. They're being removed from your life. But not only are people being removed, places are being removed. You know, a place that you used to hang out at, all of a sudden, the bulldozers are there and they're tearing it down. They're building something new. Isn't that what you need to do? Do some bulldozing on your life, tear down some old, build some new. I mean, that's what it's really all about. So places are being removed. Things are being removed. Objects, things that you've grown accustomed to, habits that you've grown accustomed to are now being removed from your life. The universe is literally clearing out all the garbage and unnecessary low vibrational energy that's been holding you back for so long. It's clearing it out, high flyers, and here's the reason why. It's clearing it out because it's preparing you. You're being prepared. You are being prepared for something very special, for a breakthrough in your life. Imagine if you were an actor or an actress and you come in and what's the first thing you do? You have to get in your costume. Okay? You can't walk out there in your street clothes. So you get rid of the old stuff that you wear, most of the time, your daily street clothes. And you put on your costume. You put on what you need to be successful out on the stage. And it's like that in life. Except high flyers, the universe is removing stuff that you no longer need, that you've outgrown, and you are moving forward with your life. A massive breakthrough. I'm telling you, if people are falling out of your life, if places are falling out, you're no longer hanging out at the old place anymore. If things are falling out of your life, that's a sign. That's a massive sign that the universe has a big breakthrough coming for you. Number 2 is you are on your own. You're not being pushed to it. You're developing a spiritual transformation. So a lot of people ask, how does the law of attraction work? It works by understanding that you have a deep connection to source energy. Now, some people are incredible manifestors, and they have this deep connection to source energy, and they don't even realize it. So, why does the law of attraction work? It works because source energy and you are working in alignment. You're in perfect alignment, moving in the right direction at the right time. And so as you develop this spiritual transformation, this deeper connection to source, and you do it through meditation, you do it through prayer, you do it through breath work, what happens is all of a sudden, it's amazing. You speed up the law of attraction in your life. People will say, well, Robert, nothing seems to be moving very fast for me. This is what you need to do. Connect to source. Build that relationship with source energy in whatever way is appropriate for you. I mentioned meditation, breath work, yoga, exercise, prayer. They're all wonderful, wonderful ways to build up your connection to source energy. But you're going to find that as you're doing this, amazing things begin to happen. The walls begin to tumble down and a breakthrough begins to open up. You can see the other side. The wall no longer has you prisoner anymore. So all of a sudden, the relationship that was ignoring you is interested in you. Okay, isn't that exciting? The business that was just struggling is starting to make a lot of money. Your career is skyrocketing because you have a deeper connection to source energy. Well, number 3 is signs and symbols begin to show up in your life. And this is one of the 3 major signs that the universe is bringing you a massive breakthrough in your life. You're seeing consecutive numbers, such as 1111, new beginning. 1111, think of it as 2 pillars, and you're literally walking through the 2 pillars. 1111, 333, 444, 777. These are all powerful sequences, and the universe is sending you a sign saying, look, wake up. I'm bringing you a massive breakthrough in your life. Things are going to change, and they're going to change very quickly, but you need to open up and understand that it is happening, that it is taking place right now. So you're going to see consecutive numbers. You're going to see animals or totem animals they have a special meaning to you. So perhaps, as we've talked about in other videos, perhaps we'll say a dragonfly has a special meaning to you. All of a sudden, it's wintertime, it's snowing outside, and you're seeing a dragonfly. That's an incredible sign. You're hearing songs that you haven't heard perhaps in a long time, but the songs, as you listen to the lyrics, they have meaning. And this is a sign that the universe is connecting you with the one that you love in a very, very special way, an emotional way, a soul-to-soul way. It's a wonderful experience. And of course, coincidences. Every place you go, you're bumping into people, opportunities are happening, doors are opening. These are 3 incredible signs that the universe is preparing you for a major breakthrough. This is how the law of attraction works. The law of attraction works by you setting out an intention, being focused on an intention, and believing so strongly in the outcome of that intention. And yes, you feel resistance, you feel a wall in front of you, but you stick with it, you stay with it, you believe it, you trust the law of attraction, and the wall comes tumbling down. High flyers, listen to me. I don't always worry about how it's going to happen. I just trust the universe will make it happen at the right time, in the right place. 3 signs that the universe is preparing a major breakthrough for you. If you have 1 or 2 of these signs, wow, get ready. Get excited. Right down below here, I claim my breakthrough. Exclaim it to the world. I claim my breakthrough. Oh yeah. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. And remember, high flyers, be sure and subscribe and click the bell icon, because we are here 5 days a week to empower your life. Bye-bye now.